Nucleus structure. Nucleus present in all eukaryotic cells. The nucleus main function is control of all cellular activities. So the nucleus is also called brain of the cell. Nucleus control all cellular activities. So the nucleus is also called brain of the cell. Nucleus present in the cytoplasm. If nucleus present in the cytoplasm, we called protoplast or protoplasm. Protoplast or protoplasm. Including nucleus, cytoplasm is called protoplast. Nucleus first identified by Robert Brown, the name given by Robert Brown, scientist. Nucleus contains 4 important major parts. They are nuclear membrane, second one nucleoplasm, third one nucleolus, and fourth one chromatin fibers. Nuclear envelope is a outer layer of nucleus. Nuclear envelope made by 2 membranes, outer membrane and inner membrane. These 2 membranes are made by phospholipids and protein chemicals. These are in semi-permeable structure. Nuclear envelope contains pore-like structures. The pore-like structures are mainly helps in exchange of genetic material from nucleus to cytoplasm. It means during the transcription, mRNA synthesized in the nucleus, that mRNA enter into the cytoplasm through the nuclear pore. Again, that mRNA participated in the translation mechanism in the cytoplasm. Beneath of these nuclear envelope, nucleoplasm or nuclear sap is present. Nuclear plasm or nucleoplasm or nuclear sap is present. It is liquid structure. It contains all types of nucleic acid enzymes. All types of nucleic acid enzymes. In this nucleoplasm, dark ball-like structures are present. The dark ball-like structures are called nucleolus. See, in this diagram only one nucleolus is present, but in different plants, different number of nucleolus are present, nucleoli are present. Mean 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or more number of nucleoli are present in the nucleoplasm. The nucleus containing large quantity of RNA. It mainly helps in synthesis of ribosomes, synthesis of RNA, synthesis of ribosomes and synthesis of RNA, and less amount of DNA also present in the nucleolus. At the same time, in the nucleoplasm, thread-like structures are present, net-like structures are present. The net-like structures are called chromatin fibers or chromatin net-like structure. The chromatin net-like structure or chromatin containing large quantity of DNA. The DNA mainly helps in heredity, including all metabolism activities under control of DNA. Rest of the cell division, if we observed in the nucleoplasm, net-like structures or thread-like structures called chromatin. But during the cell division, we clearly identified chromosomes. During the cell division, chromatin fibers are convert into chromosome-like structure. During the cell division, it is the nucleus structure.